confined to our homes, not being able to work, we feel the...
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is an Emerson SwingMate. Yeah, that's the model name, SwingMate. It's about a 1980s vintage. It's AM and FM. You got it from the Facebook Marketplace. And I'm going to quickly show it to you. There's the dial right there. Pretty easy to read. This is the band select, AM, FM. Here is on-off volume, tuning, earbud jack, and telescopic antenna, which is about 15 inches. Uses a 9-volt battery. In very good condition. The antenna does not swivel, so it's just straight up and down. We're going to tune a little bit. It's struggling here in my office because of all the electronics I've got going on my office. We're on the FM band. We'll turn the volume up. It's got a tune indicator right there, so it's not tuned right now. Off frequency. And I can't get it to lock in. Okay, let's go down the band. Oops, no further. Okay, there's the beginning of the band. Nope, go a little further. It's a little hard to read. You can see that little orange bar there. It tells you what frequency it's on. A little hard to read. Let's try tuning here. This is FM. There you go. See if I can get it to lock in. No, that's the station in Tampa, I believe. Usually a little difficult to receive. Oh yeah, that's it.
I said we are sinners.
Okay, we'll move on.
A thing of beauty travels in mythical and modern Greece.
There's strong signal. You lock in. There's music, so we gotta get off of it. Here's another one. That one didn't lock in. Oh, that's the music. Whoop. That one's trying to lock in. There we go. Okay, we'll get off there real quick. Another one. Another one. Now I need to turn the volume down. Whoa, I got that volume too high. Got lots of volume. Okay, now we're at the end of the band. Good station there. Another good one. Doing pretty good. Another one. Okay, let's go to AM. It will probably struggle on AM. I'm going to go ahead and put this telescopic antenna down so that I can rotate it if necessary. Let's go all the way back down to the bottom of the band. And turn the volume back down. So we're going to pick up a lot of noise from my electronics in this room. Okay, see what we got here. And typically, the AM stations are that direction, so I need to make it perpendicular. So I'll tune and then I'll turn, tune and turn. See what we can find here.
Become a bride.
Yeah, see? You get nothing there. But if I
at lovestories.com, and you can start
working
your
fine.
journey to find
So I really need to tune like this. Locked in.
That's what interiors and cleaning the unit.
Yeah.
813-534-4117.
It's doing good. Some cheap AM radios in this office,
And I'm gonna say it just like
they
I say,
just don't
about
work
every
at all.
segment.
All it picks up is noise from my electronics. This is doing good. Oop, missed that one. It's locking in pretty good. Getting top of the band. Oh, Spanish. More music. Okay, that's top of the band. Did pretty good. Actually, it did very good on AM, considering. And you can see the name there. SwingMate. Pretty cool. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios, and I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, we're trying our best to break that 15,000 subscriber. Just bumping up against that. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And have a great day. Bye-bye.